guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. I'm showing you a Valentine's Day nails inspo tutorial kind of thing. Showing you how to do these nails and like what I do, all the steps, the prep and everything. Very cute. It's very classy, like clean nails that are very trendy right now, just like a regular French. And then you got some hearts on the ring finger if you're going for a date night or just staying in and doing like some me time doing your nails. I think it is very cute. They're a little longer than I'm used to, but I didn't want to trim them or anything like that, so I just left them like this. But I hope that you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions on how to keep your nails longer, like how to avoid lifting, let me know and I will address all your questions. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, like gives you some kind of inspo. And if you like it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and let me know if you want more of this kind of videos. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. This is something that I haven't shown you guys in any of my nail prep videos, but it's something very important to do to avoid lifting, and it's also healthier to your nails, and it is to push off your cuticles and trim them if necessary. I usually do with this cuticle remover that I'm going to list it down below, but for this time I just did it with the nail tool. Then I move on to applying some dehydrator and nail primer all over my nails, and this helps for to avoid lifting. It's very important that you do this step if you want your nails lasting 3+ weeks. Then I will move on to graph my nail tips, and I measure every single nail, but for this time I actually did it one by one. I felt that it was more efficient. I make sure that the nail tip covers everything on my nail, otherwise it will start lifting or it will look just really bad. Then I take my nail gel. This is from the Beetles brand, which you can find on Amazon, and I'll list it down below for you guys. I applied a little bit all over the nail and then like a drip on the corner, but I distributed so that it's evenly all over my nail when I apply it. And I start by pushing it on the cuticle side and slowly distribute it, and then with the help of my other finger I hold it down so I can cure it for a few seconds. It's usually like 60 seconds, but it depends on the lamp that you have. And I repeat the same process for all of the nails. Also remember that I use the tips that are rigged inside because they last a lot longer. And if you have any bubbles on your nails whenever you're applying them, I recommend you to reapply them because they will not last anything. Like they will lift right away, so might as well just do it right. Once that is done, I move on to shaping my nails, and I didn't want to trim them. I feel like that's too much work in my opinion, so I just file the corners or the edges of the nails, and also because they have like some numbers on them, so I just wanted to get rid of that. Then using the point ball tip and my nail drill, I file around the cuticle area in case I have some extra nail glue or like the nail gel. But for my case in this set, I didn't see anything. I just wanted to file and make sure that everything was even and they looked very natural. Now to my favorite part, which is the design, and I start by applying this very light pink, kind of transparent nail polish. I'll give you all the numbers and details in the description box if you want to get these nail polishes. But I start with one layer of this gel, and then I move on to a more nudish color, and I believe that one is a 036. Again, I'm going to leave you everything down below, and you can obviously get them on Amazon. Once I cure both layers, I move on to doing the hearts on the ring finger, and I do this with the help of a dotting tool. I first do 2 dots very close to each other, and then I connect them at the bottom, like just doing like a tip, and that makes the heart shape. And usually I would cure it in between hearts just so that it doesn't drip and I don't mess up the look. And for the rest of the nails, I do a regular French, and I do this with this thin, long brush. I think this is also from the Beetles brand, and honestly, if you're starting to do nail art or something like that, I recommend you doing and using this kind of brushes and this kind of nail gels. And finally, we apply some top coat, cure it, and then end up by applying some cuticle oil that is super essential for your nails to grow healthier and everything to last longer. I like massaging it all over my fingernails, and that's it for this look. I hope that you guys like it. I think it's super cute, classy, and very clean look.